Welcome back to the show where you're figuring out what you should be doing now that you are not. I am your host, Kelsey Hubler, and this is my assistant, Alyssa Cook.
Today we'll be making towel animals. We'll be making a lobster, a crab, and a swan.
All of them. And they're coming up soon. Now let's go grab the materials. Now you're going to need a bath towel and a hand towel. Let's go.
Begin by folding in both sides until they reach the center. Make sure the towel is on landscape. Next, fold towels in half so rolls are on the outside and you can see the rolls. Take the corners of the towels and pull them out slightly so that you can reach them all. Grab all four corners and pull them apart. Flip it over and put one roll on top of the other, closing one side and making sure it's tightly closed. Grab hand towel and fold it over backside and make creases in it so it looks like a lobster tail. Tuck it into the side once completed and fan out the back so it looks like a lobster tail. Next, we'll be making a lobster. You'll need one hand towel and two marble or circular items for the eyes. Let's go. Start by folding in sides so they reach in the middle and do it again so that the smaller halves reach into the middle. Place your arm on the center of the crease and fold out one half the size. Fold bottom in and begin to roll until it reaches the opening. Now find corners of the towel in the roll and pull them out as far as they can go until they don't come out anymore. Now take unrolled half and fold in half until it reaches the roll and fold that over the roll. Place the marbles on the center of the fold so it looks like a crab.
Okay, so next we will be making the swan. In order to do this, we will need a large bath towel and a small bath towel. Here we go.
Fold the corners of the towels in so they meet at the middle and begin to roll the sides of the towel until they reach in the middle crease, not overlapping. Then fold first half of towel into and press down so it stays. And put that to a side and grab the hand towel. Pan that out and fold in sides of top half of towel and make small creases so it looks like it has texture. Take body of the swan and place it off so that you can put the tail of the swan over the back and place it down, and then take the top and fold it down so it looks like the head of the swan.
So that was our DIY on how to make towel animals of the swan, the crab, and the lobster. But I really think that the only true way we can end this video is putting these beautiful creatures back where they belong.
Do you know what, Kelsey? I have a pool. Closest thing we have
to an ocean. Let's try it out.
Kelsey, here's their habitat. Okay, I think we should put them in, let them swim. Okay, free. Here goes the crab, the swan, and the